Hey folks, it's winter time and a lot of people don't want to go back. All the videos I made anywhere from 1,300 to 1,600 videos, and YouTube took away a few. But Matt's uh, Prepping and Survival, Matt A, did one on one of these. Now Secret Stuff asked me for a link. I don't do links. If I did, I had a notebook size of King Kong because I do so many of these videos. But this is my old Zippo heater. Okay. Now what we're going to do, these are very popular in the 50s and 60s for duck hunters and everybody else. It came with a little measuring cup. You fill it up. We're going to do that right now. And I'm using round scope because I couldn't find the good stuff. I don't know how short it is. Okay, that's about that much fuel. And then we pour it in. Okay. Now, a lot of people would put these in the pockets and it'll keep your hands warm or close to your center of mass of your body and keep you warm. Now, Uncle Al's been doing this for years. And this is Secret Stuff to take a look at it. I think I made 5 or 6 of these videos. And because I made so many videos in the last 3 to 4 years, it's not even funny. But I don't mind. And I'll show you the Secret Stuff. It's real easy to use. They have electronic ones. The bad thing about electronics, if it gets too cold, it'll shut off. And basically, it's coil. This one is just plain old lighter fluid. I've seen people use other fuels for it, but I don't recommend it. It doesn't look good when your pocket catches on fire. It gets too hot. Now we got to really saturate this thing. Because Uncle Alan knows a lot about forbidden or forgotten knowledge. And we've got a little bit left. Now you see this part? This is our catalytic converter. It's a piece of rock wool that will burn when heated to a point. And we'll add a little bit right here. Just to prime it. Not too much, we save a little bit. Okay. We're using a pick. And you see it's on flame. And we're trying to get the converter heated up. Get it nice piping hot. Yep. See if it's working 100%. Put it on this one. We don't get the flare up, but we get heat. And it fits in a little cloth bag. Once you get it to the proper temperature, oh yeah, like I feel it now. It takes a few minutes because I do this every year. Once I get used to it, this thing lights up and it's nice and warm for my hands. But it takes a little while to get the knack of it. And why I do that, because it does carbon up. That's why I like the little bag. You got to get the heater element hot enough so it could catalytic convert. Sometimes you have to prime it a couple of times because it will cool down. Whoops. Yeah, all right, turn it cold. That's why you save a little bit of lighter fluid. To prime it again, because sometimes the catalytic converter will go out. You have to get it hot enough. Now there was another brand Matt's father used, Matt A, of Prepping and Survival. Those were great, but Zippo's is okay. But like I said, it takes a little practice to prime these. Okay, we'll watch that. And it takes a couple of tries because you're trying to get the catalytic converter to a certain temperature. And it will generate heat. Now please be careful because this will get hot once it starts cooking. Once it starts cooking. Once it starts cooking, the flame will go down. And there we go. It takes a little while, okay? But once you get it starts cooking, it'll stay warm about all night. I'll just put this right here, keep my hand warm. That's about it. That's the easy trick of one of these things. Now I do have a Zippo lighter. I normally carry one of these. I don't smoke anymore, I quit. I don't take any other fuel left in here. Gotta be safe, folks. This is for secret stuff. Now, the nice thing about Zippo, it's nearly indestructible. I used to have a whole bunch of them, but over the years I give them away or I lose it. It's not like the old Bics or the copies. It still lights up and I can use any kind of fuel I want. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. Like I said, it takes a few times to get this heated up. And you can put it on your shirt. Oh, God, that feels good. So, like I said, you should buy one of these, try it out. It takes a little time to figure everything out, but it's easy to do and doesn't take that long to get in practice and stage. You should have one of these little cups to go in and get the right amount. Any kind of lighter fluid will work. And you get a nice little ham warmer. Okay? So catch you later, folks. I hope that helps you out, Secret Stuff. A lot of videos on this. Okay? I just got to remember, I'm not too good on the links and stuff, so you'll find out. Catch you later.